Hey everyone, I'm Roy, and I just want to say I love Feel Good Foods. Thank you so much, Miss Jonell, for all you're doing and all the creative, awesome work you're doing over there. All the other programs that I was on said I had to eat bone broth, I couldn't eat, don't eat, and you'll feel better. Well, with this program, Miss Jonell has developed meal plans and foods you can eat, and I just feel so much better. You know, I was performing during the time of just my awful gut issues. And the main symptom I kept feeling was joint pain. I was having joint pain in my knees. And it would hurt to sit down with my knees. It would hurt to get on a plane because I was flying a lot. To sit down, I'd have to put one knee out. And it was just very painful till finally I found my Feel Good Foods. And when I tell you I feel good on these foods, I feel really, really good. So to all the people over there, y'all are doing a great job. I just can't get over how good I feel. After the second day of this program, my knees, I could feel some of the pain in my knees going away. It didn't hurt to sit down. It didn't hurt to just enjoy life. You know, I can laugh now, I can love now, and the biggest thing for me was joint pain, but it's gone. It's gone. I can't wait to continue in this journey because since this program and eating better, I now don't crave those foods. And now when I go to dinner with my friends, I'm able to eat better, you know, and just find substitutes for different things. And so it's really just helped my overall health being on this program. And so for that, I thank you. Thank you so much. Can't wait to tell all my friends who struggle with this. And I just thank you so much. Bye.